Hi everyone, this is a special promotional video for Duct UK and Hassman Technology, which kindly supplied us with the latest technology of Special Cleaner 25. We are based in London, East London, EC1. Currently actually we are doing a ducting near Heathrow. As you can see, the ducting is quite high on the wall and access panels are very small. For that reason we have to use a specialist equipment. Again, I have to mention special thanks to Craig, which supplied us with this machine, and we will show you all the results before and after, exactly what this machine capable of. Premises in London usually have risers going up to 20-30 meters high, and physically very difficult to clean, but with this machine it's possible to clean without actually setting up towers and scaffolding. So we will show you what the results are after using this machine. And as you can see, the ducting inside, before we clean it, it's quite dirty, and we will still show you in the process of cleaning within a couple of minutes or so. Right, as you can see, we actually used Special Cleaner 25 cleaning our chimney. I'll just show you the result. But you can see the result is pretty impressive, and that goes all the way up. Unfortunately it's pretty dark, but as you can see, things dramatically change, and for that reason cleaning chimneys like that very high is pretty hard, but once you have the specialist equipment, results are impressive.